guys. We need the spiciest noodles 2 times. Then we have a soju here. And we have habanero. Start to put the seasoning right now. As you can see guys, nag-store pa ngayon. Nag-store. Game guys. Thank you guys. Liquor to make our body warm. It's too fucking hot. Nag-storm pa guys. Hangin guys, too windy right now because there's a snowstorm right now. Spicy hot ramen times 2 with a twist. And the weather like -22 and there's a snowstorm. See that? Look at the ice. To be honest, I'm feeling cold and it's too hot. I think that's a good combination, guys. Eating spicy noodles, hot spicy noodles in cold weather. Because of the habanero. I don't want to take this chance very long because it's too cold. Cut my face. my hands, guys. Just the only left is the soup, but I already ate the noodles. Look at the look at my skin. Guys, just make sure you hit it, then I will do it next time. You want to do a twist again? That's what we eat everything. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Just support my channel, Sky Adventure on TV. The weather right now.
Sky Adventure at TV.
It's too cold.